Bomah was a beehive of activity today as Acholi Province was entertaining Teso. Teso donning on orange and of course Acholi putting on the white kitties. Acholi began very hard courtesy of Mato with some very good skills trying to open up on Dennis Ojara, but that did not work out very well as Teso were very solid at the back. Some good skills we did see today from the Teso side. Unfortunately, Acholi kept the press alive as more was seen in tonight's action. Mato was up and about for the Acholi side and he was actually fouled more often, but this was the goal that was scored by Tito Okello, beating the goalkeeper Tom Ikara with a wonder shot with this left hook, getting Tom Ikara off his guard and going to the back of the net. Good left hook coming through from Tito Okello. He just loves to score those goals here in Kitgum. Wonderful goal that actually brought the crowd chanting together with the bench over the Acholi up on their heels as they continue to praise for Quest of Glory. Acholi kept the pressure alive courtesy of Dennis Ojara. Unfortunately, Ikara Tom this time round was there to save the day. There was more from the Acholi and there was more from Tom Ikara as he kept pressing and probing and making sure that all went very well. Teso got some rhythm into the game, but unfortunately the chances came and the chances went away. A good ball brought in by Martin Olamu was saved very well by the goalkeeper Derek Ochan. And again Teso got one from Orit, but that actually went way over the bar. Olamu again tried more and not getting the best at the goalkeeper Derek Ochan was actually very outstanding. All in all, Acholi 1, Teso 0.